We will be disassembling the barrel of the Glock 19 Gen 5. Remove the magazine. Pull trigger back. Pull slide halfway back. Hold slide in place. Pull down slide lock. Pull slide forward. Press the recoil spring assembly toward the front of the slide while pulling it up to remove it from the slide. Holding the barrel by the barrel locking cams, lift it and push it toward the front of the slide and then pull it up and toward the rear to remove it from the slide. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.